What's going on, everybody? It's that detail guy, Walt. Today we're going to talk about 5 things that are seen on Facebook as car cleaning hacks that you should never do.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
The first one is bug spray to restore your headlights. So with cloudy headlights, what happens is UV rays and stones and everything else beat the heck out of the polycarbonate lenses. Then they begin to oxidize. Yes, the bug spray will start to remove some of that, but what they don't tell you is that over time, it's going to actually break down that polycarbonate plastic, and it's going to begin to leave stress marks in it, ultimately ruining the lens beyond repair. And on some of these newer cars, headlights can be anywhere from $300 to thousands of dollars. So personally, I suggest just completely avoiding that. There's a hack where you can use some toothpaste. That won't hurt anything. It'll work a little bit just because of the abrasives in it. Ultimately, it should be sanded down and recoated. Number 2, this is a big one. It happens way more often than you might think, and that is steel wool or Brillo pads on your paint. Do not use either one of those. Keep those in the kitchen. They will absolutely destroy your paint job. People use them for various things, taking tar off, tree sap, those little orange specks. There are chemicals designed to remove all of those things completely safely. Call your detailer, send us a message, email us. Any detailer can help you out with that. Just give them a shout, and I'm sure they'll be happy to tell you what to use so that you're not ruining your paint job. Another one, hair conditioner on the paint. Well, it'll make it shiny, I guess. It's probably going to look a little bit like a rainbow. And when it rains, it's really going to look like a rainbow. Don't do it. You're not going to hurt anything, but it's going to look terrible as soon as it gets wet. And that's if you can even get it to look good to begin with. But I see it all the time on Facebook. Here's another one. Please don't do this. Olive oil on your dashboard. We baking a cake or we cleaning a car? Don't do it. Why? That oil is going to heat up, and it's just going to be greasy and messy, and everything is going to stick to it. Again, there's proper products for your dash. Avoid the olive oil, the Vaseline, and all those other goofy homemade remedies. There's plenty of things you can get over the counter. There's plenty of professional products. Again, ask your detailer. And last but not least, and I see this more in the wintertime up here in the north, is cooking spray on the rubber door seals so they don't stick. It's a good thought, I understand, but unless you want ants in the spring, let's avoid that because I see it all the time. People do it, it collects junk, ants and bugs love it. You might not think you can get ants in your car, but you can. You can get ants, roaches, maggots, you name it, it can be in your vehicle. So let's not do those 5 things. Call us if you need anything, email us, text us, stop in. We will be more than happy to point you in the right direction if cleaning your car at home is something you want to do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.